And I said before I speak to them, I also give my conditions, which I know they couldn't meet. It's not possible for them to meet it. And I did it deliberately. I didn't want to speak to them. They sent Joseph Carlo to come to me. First to my parents. My father said no. My mother said no. That where I stand is where they stand, in life or in death. They came to prison. I was even from DSS dungeon. The promises came. The vice president. Anything you want. If you have a very beautiful wife, you better go and enjoy her than being in prison.
Wow.
Anything you want. And I said no. That what I want is a referendum to determine if you good people want to be part of the zoo or part of Nigeria or part of Biafra. Choose one, zoo or Biafra. They said no. And Isibajo tried to make contact. When I came out, I don't know if I've told this story before actually. And Ohaneze hijacked it. I went to see Nnia Nwodo in his house. We sat down, had lunch together. And I told him what my conditions were to lift the boycott in Anambra State, which they couldn't meet. And I said to Nwodo very simply, go to Abuja and tell these people that these are what our people are asking for. I said to him, go and bring us something. Not for me, for everybody. He went there and started negotiating for a ministerial position for one of the children. I'm telling you, what I'm doing is fact, ask him. Somebody asked him, but you people are being called to Asorok because of Nnamdi Kanu. Why didn't you tell him that you're going to Asorok? He said it is for Igbo leaders. And once the powers that be knew that he hadn't IPOB support, they just gave them 5 million naira for transport and dismissed them. Had Nnia Nwodo remained with me, when the governors called me, I told them the same thing in front of Professor Ben Wabese. They said, oh, but Nwodo, Soludo, Bremad is upstairs. Do I want them to come? I said, no. That house, Enugu. My DSS director came with his bags of money in euros, in white sacks to bribe. Ask anybody working in the government house in Enugu. I said, no, I don't want to see them. Not because I want to be the only cock crowing, no. Because of consistency. Can you last? When you're tempted, are you going to succumb? Can you sustain this very effort we're making? So they have come. And I gave them my conditions which they can never meet. Open Warri seaports, open Igbocha seaports, open Calabar seaports. Make Enugu an international airport where we can fly to US and come in at will. Build Igbocha, Enugu, Onitsha, Enugu Express Road. Complete second Niger Bridge. Are these things difficult?
No.
As I'm telling you this, go and ask them in Asorok if your friends there. They have the piece of paper I gave to them. They ran away. Because some Igbo men were busy gossiping. Saying if you allow him, when he finishes fighting Nigeria, he will come here and fight us and kill all of us. That's what they said. And you know another thing they said? They told every Igbo billionaire around the world that nobody should give me one dime. Ask them that if you give Nnamdi Kanu money, he will go and buy weapons. That nobody should give me anything. That we are here by the grace of God, not by any of our friends, to be honest with you.
If I get a for the last video drop on my comment section, or if I na for the if I get to only back, if I get an Nnamdi Kanu back at all difficult. Is it difficult? How long will it take Abia State? 24 fucking good years. Abia State on half of the liberation Abia State today. How long will it take even? I want to know why is your how long? At 4 years. Abama Lamma. How long? If I get this man na Londa, is it difficult? Enugu Airport. international airport. Ngwa nene nke a Port Harcourt. The second one on Lagos. The new one, Alolo, the new one, Kanu. Abuja. The new international wing, Alolo. Na Nigeria now, nke Enugu. Of your Togo and Enugu. This is what Nnamdi Kanu na say. Na yonda, bikono. Mena amala, nya ifa. Tomorrow hypothesis one Nigeria. Ka izage. Ako ụfọdụ ndị na-amaro the meaning of even Nnamdi Kanu na fight for in on a comment section say that no nyanwa destroy la Igbo even maro ga-eligi even maro ka o si bido agha na maro ka o si bido ga-eligi if even maro you don't know echọkwano ka ime research malo why is this man agitating? Why? You don't care. Salako na yard, salako na street, you na bayale. Can you feel alone ni faketa? This man na ask for. Ejo de mamie. Allow these people to go. Ejo ogega ju achicha. Ejo ogega ju achicha. Then some people na ga no na Lagos na no la Abuja say business here. Because of your business, you succumb in this movement. Because of your business, you succumb. So why can't you since that now you are not accepted in that your business, that state in that your business? People no business get bang na I could go into there. I'm not easy, but I'm mad in the mayor. Other reason what if I made easy? You do pay there now. Since the matter of the day, you do pay there now. Been on a part of Nigeria near Malavia. I got you there. Material I japa can not wear. I want to back on out there. It's here by a bupie. Ah, a package Malakana to Nakoiva Blaiko. Make international airport Enugu international new airport. I will conference with everywhere. International wing. Must I, if I want to travel from East, must I go to Lagos to travel? Must I? Ngwa wotekwa development na Igbo mba ngwa ka onye Igbo chia mba ngwa hapụkwa ndị Igbo gafa na mba hey Chineke tabi ife mmadụ amafo wote development na Igbo ka ndị adị happy mba nye ndị Igbo ọchịchị gafa chia mba arapụkwa ndị Igbo gafa na mba. Una fit to good ever before. Ngono ju ogega ju achicha dey go sigi nkale. Agitation no Nnamdi Kanu de ko de genuine. All the genuine. Rap one politics eju weto on ever. Eju weto on upside down. Agitation dey the genuine. You refuse these people their freedom. You refuse them. They okay na ekete na Nigeria. Okay, allow them to go. Ejo. What even Nnamdi Kanu me? Okay, now 2023 ka Biafra no de ka Sunday Igbo no de ka ndị Hausa achọ iwere ọchịchị nye ndị Igbo. Ndị Yoruba wepụta Sunday Igbo. Immediately nwanne ha nwoke were dị ọchịchị Sunday Igbo na kpuo kịta ọ pụta na sị gị esi anyị n'otu unu na osi anyị APC or nothing. No one party country can win, no one party can win at the country, and no other country again, no other party again. If I make the wet on one, we make the Iva, we feel the wet on one, and they cannot touch on one. Until present Yelaya, I have fantasy as a John Mother. Could even Nnamdi Kanu can even major. Only as in every way who cock, near Manando Manon, near Senebe who cock, Manando Manon, Kadiva, Kedajivo, Meleba. Karaji vomba. Nyaka ndị nọ na city movement. Ịpụtazi ina enye m excuse. Na anapụga ebe isi eliri na ma enye gị business ọzọ. Iglet, ihe business ọzọ. Ya ka mmadụ na-eti mkpu na ntị m. Achọrọ m ịkpafu onye. Mfa ka mmadụ onye nwụlala nne na-eti mkpu na ntị m. Only for yourself. It is a accept a mistake that will affect millions of Igbos. Our madness. Today, ndị Igbo basas everywhere in the world. All due to halfway na Igbo. Halfway na Nigeria. Half ndị Nigeria na ata ndị Igbo. Nwere every place here hapụtazie woluzie detain meli ọbụla okwu that any place ọbụla ị ga-adọrọ that you can never see an Igbo man there. Ọ dịla anya mma iwe na-aga yeli. Ebe anyị na-achọ ife afọ yeli ọ dịla anya mma. Emepele gị nga obodo oyibo niile ndị Igbo nọ na ya. Emepele gị nga. Ụmụ nwaanyị ka ya enwefe je shilo kwuru ilu oche ma ọ jee Ebuka Obi si na fada chọ di. Emepe nga niile mmenụ ndị Igbo kwatọ ebe fa ndị Hausa na-eje ọlụ Igbo n'obodo Igbo. Ndị Yoruba na-eje ọlụ Igbo n'obodo Igbo. Maka ha na-eji wee nọ England mbụ ndị Yoruba. Emepe nga all the countries niile ego dị na ya si ife niile nọ na Nigeria bụ ndị ojii nawa ndị Igbo judi ya. Emepe nga ụmụ nwaanyị ebe ya ma na-aka ike ịchọ di. All of them go marry because of gịnị? Ebe mmadụ na-achọ ife afọ yeli. Na-emara ọdụbọ ọnụ nga kwanye ọnụ gị nga ife na-emara omechi ọnụ ọ bụrụ ịpụta na comment section na-akọ yeli. Enwere ebe mmiri si wee baa n'obi ụgbọgọrọ.
Obodo kwesịrị zoo Nigeria. Lekwa Nigeria ma dọsa ya Chineke nna dị ngọzi. Onye ọbụla na-ekpe ekpere ka Nigeria wee wuru ofu nna nke Bridge ndị dị etu a wee laa ha n'iyi. Chineke nna kiwe biko bịa kiwe kpọọ ha ọkụ. Kpọọ ha ọkụ kpee ezinụlọ ha ọkụ.
You've just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.